Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oscal C20 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the first way of checking the IMEI number. You have to enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So you have to open them. Now let's scroll down to find About Phone. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to localize both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.